Ụlọnze nwoze kenekwa m ụnụ. Video polisi anụ na trend na social media. Polisi asị na ndị mmadụ video ya na anọ ya egbukwa na ya abụ. Moskwa ya bụrụ na ndị ahụ ju one moto luxurious bus na anaghị ekele ya. Now the police apụtago emegide wee meghalị ya video. Wee sị na omee okwu ya ọnụ ahụ na ndị mmadụ na-aghọtefe ihe o kwuru. O wee si dododo ka ọ kọwaa ya na mgbe ọ na-enyekwa update about Nigeria na ihe na-eme na nwekwa onye na-ege ha ntị. Mana kịta o kwuzie n'ofu ọ bụrụ mistake. Nyasa nna asị na you never know, you never can tell what will buy you. So now this man no kita, automatically he has lost his job. Or lose his job or no kita. I'm just so scared now. Or no lose his job here now. Definitely they will come for him. Then the police may invite or be a call will relieve of duty. My only problem is that at the end of the day, this man will join a bandit or you join a Boko Haram. You never can tell. But in any video, you could see no kukwase. Then after that, unenezia you one idea kucha about the Nigerian police force. And then this video.
Good morning, everybody. Good morning, Nigerians. Ogarisi, good morning. You are from Delta and from Edo State. So I've been pushing a video since update from time. It doesn't go viral. But the one I make yesterday now, it don't dey push. Because when I don't hear say I say no. I doesn't mean it like that. I always annoyed for people. Actually, you can video us, you can video a policeman. But it's not now that anybody can just come from anywhere. Started videoing somebody is on duty. Even some policemen sitting on their own, they will go there and be videoing there. They have taken it beyond that for us. If we even make the policemen not to work active, because we are supposed to work active, go they fear, say may they not video, may they not do this, anything can happen. I'm a full Nigerian, I'm a full born of Nigeria. My father is a soldier. I grew up in the barrack, Kaduna barrack. I was born in Kaduna. There's never a time. Anybody that knows me should talk to they will tell you my duty, my police duty. I've served in this country. I doesn't mean it like that. But just because of annoyance, but because of some other people have started making trending video about policemen and all. You should not do us like that because we don't have a capable time to work as activities, men. I'm not just talking. I talk with annoyance. And if I talk, the thing pain the vessel like that, Mona forgive me. Mona forgive me because all of us are brother. No matter anything when they happen, all of us are one love. Now you don't come for this one, you don't they go. Not be so. How go they kill my people? How many are there? We don't do that. Everybody should. Anywhere they ask of me, people will tell you testify the glory of me. I not be person. Will not be person when they go forward when they begin go back. No. If we stand by unity, say I don't work mobile for 12 years. I work, I serve my fatherland. I know say yes. Now my heart I take the servant. I know the servant they find money. People who know me go testify about me. Harrison, forgive me. I beg the whole Nigeria, Mona forgive me. That statement I just annoyance of things when they happen. Now things when they happen. They happen with the pain person. Normal human being when you lie down, you go pain him. You go pain him. You go pain him. Who don't suffer well, not be saying that today. Now annoyance, see my body. A bullet the all this one. All this are gunshot injury. I don't want to show my lap. See my body. All these are gunshot injury. See them. Look my body. All these are gunshot. We don't suffer well for the work. So now annoyance. See my body. Look at my chest. Look at my chest. Bullet don't chop and see my hand. See my hand here. Just take a break. I will show you my body. There's never a shame there. We don't suffer well. We don't want to complain. I will have a surgery that I'm supposed to do. These are gunshots. These are gunshot injury. These are gunshot injury here. This is a gunshot injury. I don't collect bullet. We don't do 17. We don't do 17. Now let me survive. I'll be two of us. Now survive. Now survive the operation. So not be say I dey talk with now vaccination because of the way other people don't make they take correction. Not be say you go just see policeman begin video round. Mona forgive me. Yeah? If I offend you as brother, Mona forgive me. Me and from Edo State, we not dey do that kind of life. We not feel that kind of life. And we decided to say we go die for our fatherland. We still dey even up all the killing of the policemen and other things. We still dey struggle to make sure say things come normal, because one day things must surely come normal by the grace of God. If you not hard, you know the peace, no, the even husband and wife when married, they not quarrel, they not they get peace. Yeah? Mona forgive me, I beg. If I offend you now, that one a verbal talk. That one a verbal talk. That one a verbal talk. So this are our new IG way come now. We know say things go dey normal by the grace of God. Things go dey now small. What you don't spoil, they hard to repair. Mona forgive me, I beg. Mona forget. If you reach, you don't reach like this now, you don't dey trade, don't dey move. But all the one when I post, Mona post them, Mona tag them out. Push am out. But the one when I don't do before, all those videos when I don't do, they praise God, they do every. Push them out. Make they see life. Not before wicked thing, they go see life. Me, I don't want to talk too go far. May not be like say maybe at the boss or anything. But make life day for us, all of us, by the grace of God. We go see the end. Things go good for all of us. Obviously, you my brother. This one I don't reach. You don't detest I be a I see the push. Now so they do am. You know there is you go know me one on one. If you want know me, go through me. You call, invite me. You know me one on one. Me, I will not the wrong, not the surrender. No retreat, no surrender. Now the job won't enter be that. Now the grace of God will take the leave. Mona forget, I beg. Mona forgive me. One love. One love to the world. Any day when I did work duty as an officer, I did with my rifle, I did work. Make somebody video me. Make that oga when give an order, someone at the video us. He go do your burial for you. He go bury you. Now he go bury you. The numbers of how many una be gonna go keep away. Now he go bury you now. Allah. They burn anybody where video me when I'm on duty, performing my lawful duty in Nigerian government, Nigerian police for 26 years. They suffer. They suffer every time, every day suffer. Uniform, I don't fit buy nothing. I fit do for, I don't fit give us, I don't fit do anything. I don't fit no accountability for us for any life. Who die to even not be this one. The IG when just come new now. Begin they try to amend things. They help people. Look at people when their papa don't die since how many years. Who they this IG enter now? Begin give them their insurance, give them their benefits. Just the walk, monkey the walk, babu the chop. All my body na bullet shot, gunshot na full am. Still they suffer. They look body. Look at my body. You think I was born like this? This is a gunshot. They burn anybody well. Just carry your camera. Watch me well, oh. Carry your camera. Come around anywhere I dey. Come mistake video. Even though I'll clear everybody down. The whole full boss. Anywhere, except the person not stand near you when they video, I'll clear everybody down. I swear to God.
Very heartbreaking to see a policeman who is supposed to be a lawful operative, protecting lives and properties of citizens, threatening citizens just because he doesn't want to be recorded. That shows the rot in the system. But of course, a lot of conversation on, and I agree. I've seen a lot of takes, and this guy is brutal. He should be sacked and dismissed. But I'm seeing more broader issues, and I want to address it. You see, his name is Newton Isukwe, as he's been now reported, and he's an assistant superintendent of police, ASP, 1 star, as you can see. But more importantly, we must look the bigger picture. You can remove Newton Isukwe from the force, but there are several Newton Isukwe. Again, this is another Ogbegbe, right, that shot the guy in Warri. This is the same situation, the same scenario, but it means that there is an underlying issue with the Nigerian police that we need to deal with. There is a fundamental problem. There is an integral problem we need to handle. Why are policemen more aggressive? Every society, police people are that layer of security that relates to the people, like PPRO of what it means for organizations, like that public relations. That's what the police are. They are that convenient, comfortable relationship that helps stable society, maintain law and order, create first layer of security, and the people are comfortable. So why do we have a lot of very aggressive policemen like this? It shows one thing. And I have a lot to say, but this is not the video, but I'm just going to be as brief or summarize everything as possible. Number one, in modern society, education, health, and security are some of the most important or very basic things government takes seriously. It also means, by implication, that teaching people in the health sectors, health and care as it were, then policemen and maybe even Navy officer, the army, they are also people that the government take very, very serious. And most of the time, because of the seriousness government take these roles, they ensure that they take care of them so that people get in, not just because they are hustling, they get in because they want to serve. This role society are supposed to be for service. You are in the health sector, you are in the teaching profession, you are a policeman or you are an army officer. It's service oriented. It is a way of encouraging people to serve. And that's why you see that the videos of the American army or the US army, you see, I love America. It is a patriotic cause. Policemen, everybody. But you see, in Nigeria, these people go into this area because they have no other jobs and they are hustling. And you're likely going to meet situations like this. Then by and large, when government also take up these rules, and you see, again, my worry about the Nigerian system is that this particular education and all of that, hospitals, they are now handled by capitalists, business people. And that's why it's very expensive to fund. People cannot go to school cheaply. A lot of these dimensions, same thing with security. A lot of people working at now security outfit are doing it because they want to survive, not because they love the job. And now this now brings me to the point I have always wanted to make. Remove new things, but it doesn't change the fact that there are many new things, many ogbegbe. It shows that if you listen to this guy, you see that he is traumatized. There's trauma language. It means that there is psychological needs that these guys have. And I continue to wonder, when was the last time the Nigerian police force train and retrain this, apart from promotion courses that we hear, that is even bribable and workable with? How many times have we gone through this? A lot of the policemen, a lot of people in our security architecture, security armed forces, they require therapy. They require psychological help. Some of them are mentally drained. You see all of his complaints. He complains of his welfare, which of course, very well noted. Complaints of retirement plan. He's 26 years in service, most likely still living in rent. Obviously, there is a problem. And if you say rent, anybody can live in rent. It's okay around the world. People live in rent everywhere. But then, is he happy? Does he think that this is the best life he can live? Is he comfortable? Is there a future for his children? Over here, if you fill some form, people that live in the UK, if you fill some form, they will ask if you have anybody in your family that has worked in the army, that has worked in certain industries. Because there are certain level of benefit that comes to you. There are certain level of privileges you get when you do all of these things. My father died 10 years ago. He was an active policeman. This is 10 years after. A couple of weeks' time, it will be 10th anniversary since he died. I'm here to receive benefit of his death, gratuity and pension, nothing. I'm telling you, I mean they tell you so, nothing. What does that tell you? It shows that these guys are also, they cannot beat their chest to say there is even hope for survival. So the trauma is there, psychological needs, therapy, very important. Then insurance for what they do. Then the fact that these guys are not being trained and retrained. So we want to deal with all of that. Remove him from the service, that's fine. But there are many of these guys, and it means that, like I said, a reform needs to be done in our policing system. Our recruitment process, our welfare for them. He just made mention of certain important things. Is this suffering the police, or is it all across board? No, senior policemen are enjoying. The people in the offices are benefiting from it. So we must deal with issues. Whilst I want us to tackle Newton's case, handle it, deal with it, let's not forget some of the things he has said. The message must not be forgotten. Welfare, security, life insurance, benefit. He just said it now that if not for this IGP that just resumed, people that their family, the people that have retired, people, have you not seen policemen protesting everywhere? What did the government say about it? We must balance all of that, right? I wish Nigeria well.